What's the meaning of brainbox? Brainbox. Brainbox.
Brainbox. Brainbox. The term brainbox usually refers to a person who is very intelligent and knowledgeable in a particular field. It is often used as a slang or informal way to describe someone who is highly skilled or talented, particularly in an academic sense. A brainbox is generally seen as someone who has a deep understanding of complex ideas and can easily solve difficult problems. This term is often used in a positive sense to compliment someone's intellectual abilities. However, it can also sometimes be used in a sarcastic way, to suggest that someone is overly focused on their intellectual pursuits and lacks social skills or other important qualities.